and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney, and today I have a very short little video for you. Let's see, last week I guess, I showed everyone my Edie top that I'd made out of the thrifted men's sweater. I'll pop a card up for that, whatever size that comes on. Pop a card up for that video right there. But I had talked a little bit about how I did that narrow shoulder adjustment for the boat neck or slash neck top. If you have that issue with them falling, being too wide. I talked a little bit about how I graded basically from a really small size in the neckline and shoulder, then to my regular, like, oh gosh, 4 sizes bigger to the side seams or whatever. So I filmed a little tutorial. It's a very simple alteration, just kind of showing how I did that. And I'm going to do it kind of the same style that I did the refashioned sweater with just some music and some verbiage there on the screen. So hopefully that makes sense and you guys like it. Please leave me any comments, any questions that you have about that. I'd be happy to answer any of them. And also don't forget to subscribe. Our subscribers are taking off and it's a lot of fun. And I love the comments that I'm getting from everyone. And I just love that our party's getting a little bit bigger. So please hit subscribe. And if you like the video, hit a thumbs up. That really lets me know which videos you're liking, which you're not, as I'm prepping and planning videos for the future. So I hope you enjoy this. And until next time, happy sewing and I'll see you soon. Bye.